The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor. Bagi-wei. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam. Tak saupun riulak. Just wow.
Ubak senyau balang dhar usembut Menteri Rangba Kajalla habakran sikilat pathai kubor hadian kejing kendu bat kinoi lam ke Sarkar Assam ha kejing lam u Atul Bora Menteri Ketenat Border Protection and Development ha ka arpu ar tarik noilar araja arpun rio halor kijing mi kijing ja huriura nong bat Shillong ula ong Palat lai hajar news pat Tylli ki kali Assam la Pynrung bat Pahara sya Assam. Ulaong baka Sarkar Meghalaya kalau yok priang lai spa nyopo kendai Tylli ki distress ki baka Sarkar kala syem bernyarap. Ulaong baki don hadu south spa bat sun spa Tylli ki kali ki bala sakut ha Meghalaya ki bala ban yat lingba kentop ha ki benta jong ka umyam. Ke Sarkar kala pentikin aru baki nu ki brio ne ki kali ki badang sakut bat ki badai ban lech Assam an penpoi bat senran no yaki Hapoh saupu pra Kynta ban wan. Lemenjor bertau ya kerukam jingat trai langga bekerpang hapadang IG Special Branch Assam baru IG Law and Order Meghalaya ringkat bat ki helpline nak benta ban pensuk ya ke jingarap lingba ki number WhatsApp kendai iwe pra iwe not iwe sau pra bat landline not line riwe ar line pra iwe san iwe. Ki ar Sarkar ki la rai ban thauru ya ki Permanent District Level Joint Committee ki bakentop ya ki Deputy Commissioner jongkan nongpo bat Kamrup Metropolitan ringkat bat ki officer polit na baro ar liang ki jella ban penbet ya ki jing e.
Self-movement of Assam reserve vehicles. More than 3,720 Assam registered vehicles have already been safely escorted out of Meghalaya into Assam so far. Distress call and evacuations. The Assam Control Room has received 54 distress calls involving 175 persons who are being assisted in evacuations. And these include 2 private vehicles and 5 tourist vehicles. And the government of Meghalaya informed that each control room has received 379 distress calls so far and steps taken to assist them for their safe transit. And movement of standard vehicles. Most of the standard travelers and vehicles, including approximately 400 to 500 vehicles that were earlier helped out in Meghalaya, have successfully crossed key transit corridor, including Diumiam lake sections. And completions of evacuations within 48 hours. Any passenger or vehicle yet to be transferred to Assam will be safely escorted and transferred within the next 48 hours. A dedicated exercise will be undertaken to ensure that every tourist or vehicles wishing to return to Assam is facilitated and safely escorted. Dedicated coordination by establishing hotline. It was agreed to establish a dedicated coordination mechanism between the IG Special Branch Assam and the IG Law and Order Meghalaya, along with dedicated helplines. An online support forum will also be activated to assist in locating and facilitating standard individuals. WhatsApp number is 9+91 8101488 and landline number is 0361 2381 511. This mechanism shall remain operational until the situation is fully normalized. Permanent district level joint committees. And Permanent district level joint committee will be constituted comprising Deputy Commissioners Nongpo and Deputy Commissioner Kamrup Metropolitans, along with the police officer of the corresponding level from both districts, and to ensure that day-to-day issues arising along the interstate border are resolved promptly.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.